lords, ladies and gentlemen, 51 years ago, I came to London for the first time. I spent a good part of my boyhood and youth in this city and became a part of it during those impressionable years. Since that period, half a century ago, I have been engaged in many activities connected with the freedom of my own country, and in later years, I have had the privilege of coming here in a different capacity.
तो ये संभव है कि लोगों को चाहेंगे और फिर ये उनकी तरफ से आंदोलन ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा, इसलिए उन्होंने जितने भी लोगों को समझते थे कि ये इस तरह का प्रभाव हो सकता है उनका,
देशवासी को सदा ही गर्व से भर देता है। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी की यह विशेषता थी कि बाहर से वे अत्यधिक विनम्र दिखते थे, परंतु भीतर से चट्टान की तरह दृढ़ निश्चयी थे। जय जवान जय किसान का उनका नारा उनके इसी विराट व्यक्तित्व की पहचान।
कोई कोर्स बदलने से नहीं बन जाएगा, वो तो कुछ भी नहीं हो। कोर्स पढ़ाने वाला अच्छा हो तो उसके साथ बैठ के आदमी वो चीजें ग्रहण कर लेता है जिससे उसकी जिंदगी ठीक बन जाए।
What they've seen that I've done.
And yet they booted you out in 1977.
Well, I think booted is a strong word. We were defeated, but within less than a month after the defeat, they were coming back to me because there was such a very sustained malicious propaganda that people were taken in by it.
We are not opposed to the birth control program as it is envisaged in India or in the world. Though I must say,
the circumstances of its present development are shadowed by its years of colonialism and exploitation. Yet, our ancient
just solution must ensure a sovereign, independent, and non-aligned Afghanistan. Foreign intervention.
Somewhat I've been in politics anyway, whether it be bringing down the BJP government in 13 days or by one vote.
Right.
So
आजादी का मतलब शोषण करने की आजादी नहीं, इस आजादी का मतलब भ्रष्टाचार फैलाने की आजादी नहीं, इस आजादी का मतलब घूसखोरी, भ्रष्टाचार और तस्करी करने की आजादी नहीं।
Of all the three methods, partly autobiography, because without the authenticity of some incidents about which I could speak, the base would not have been strong enough. But if I make it a complete autobiography, I miss many things where I cannot say that I know this as a fact, I have seen this as a fact, I have passed through this. So it has to be something more than an autobiography.
या पक्षपात, अनुराग या द्वेष के बिना सभी प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति संविधान और विधि के अनुसार क्या न्याय करूंगा, उसे किसी व्यक्ति या व्यक्तियों को तब के सिवाय जबकि प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों के सम्यक निर्वहन के लिए ऐसा करना अपेक्षित हो, मैं प्रत्यक्ष अथवा प्रत्यक्ष रूप से संसूचित या प्रकट नहीं करूंगा।
हमें पूरी निष्ठा से काम करना चाहिए। ईमानदारी और जवाबदेही प्रशासन के मूल मानदंड होने चाहिए। सबसे पहले काम ये होगा कि मान निर्णय लेने के संभावना को कम किया जाए। हमारी कार्य प्रणाली सरल और अधिक पारदर्शी होनी चाहिए। भ्रष्टाचार।
As you know, we are celebrating the golden jubilee year of our freedom. An entire nation of 960 million people is celebrating and taking stock of the situation, looking ahead at the future, but also deriving strength from the past.
In Indo-American ties, the Indo-US Vision Statement, which we signed in March this year, embodies the aspirations and responsibilities of our two countries for the 21st century.
Today, for the last time as Prime Minister of India. 10 years ago, when I was entrusted with this responsibility, I entered upon it with diligence as my tool, truth as my beacon, and a prayer that I might always do the right thing.
Now we are building new partnerships for the digital world. Prime Minister Lee and I just made a tour of an outstanding exhibition of technology, innovation, and enterprise.